Welcome everyone to AppleInsider. It is Andrew here, and you guys have probably seen a lot of stuff published on Apple's new leather MagSafe wallet for the iPhone 12 line. And a lot of it has been crapping all over it. A lot of people complain that it doesn't stick to the phone well, and that it falls off, and that there's way too chance you're going to lose your cards or your ID if you use Apple's leather wallet. There's been a lot of opinions, and here's mine. Almost all of them are dead wrong. This wallet is near perfect, and we're going to talk about it in this video. Now, before we even go into this wallet, I'm not someone who's jumping on the bandwagon of, oh, there's a new Apple accessory, let me just go ahead and get on that and form an opinion and share it with people. I have been using wallets with my phone for a long time. I have one of the earlier people to be convinced that the phone is a great place to have your wallet. The one thing that I hear from my friends all the time is, oh, if you lose your phone, you're losing your wallet too, isn't that terrible? Well, guess what? I hold on to this a lot more than I pay attention to my wallet in my pocket. If we're traveling or doing something, there's a far higher chance I'm going to lose my wallet, have it pickpocketed, than I am going to lose my phone. I mean, I am constantly having this in my hand. I'm constantly checking Twitter and YouTube Studio. I am watching my phone like a hawk. But my wallet, it's my back pocket or something, I may not keep as good of an eye on it. So a lot of times, having a wallet inside of your phone or attached to your phone is a great idea. Now, for a while, I would use folio type cases for my phone, but those were obnoxious. They were big and bulky. They would wrap around. You looked pretty ridiculous trying to take a phone call with the folio wrapped around the back or a hole cut out of it. I just couldn't do it. So I, for a while, was using cases that had wallets integrated into the back. A few of my favorites, even still, Mujo and Alto, some of the best wallet-style snap-on cases out there. I love them. The problem was, with those, you had to always take your cards out before you could use wireless charging. So once Apple had introduced wireless charging, it made that a really not feasible solution if you wanted to use both. So for the past couple years, I have been in limbo, not finding a great solution. So I have been using the Mouse 3.0 system, which is very similar to MagSafe in that there's a bunch of magnets integrated into the back of your phone, allowing you to easily attach accessories, like wallets. Mouse had other accessories too. There were car mounts and a folio wrap and all these different things that I could attach. The problem with that is you were very limited because you could only use the Mouse system, and I found the Mouse Limitless 3.0 cases a little bit bulky for what I liked. They were just almost too protective for my liking. I wanted something a little bit slimmer, especially on these max-sized phones. So, when Apple introduced MagSafe with the iPhone 12, I was ecstatic. Apple had finally introduced basically the perfect wallet solution for the new phones. So I was all on board. And after a minor snafu, let me not being able to get my hands on a wallet for several weeks after they launched, I've been now using one for the better part of a week. And after going through all the other wallet-style solutions for your iPhone, this is hands down my favorite, the best solution that I have ever tried. So what do you need to know about Apple's leather MagSafe wallet? Well, it comes in a few different colors, obviously color matched to Apple's own cases. Got the black case here, and we've got our saddle brown leather case there. But it'll work with really any case. But what I love about MagSafe in general is that these wallets work with just not the case itself, but any other MagSafe accessories. So you could mount this directly to your phone, or you can mount it to a case. So here's my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and we've got my Apple leather case, and boom, it goes right on the back of it. We even have one of those slick MagSafe animations that go on. So he attaches to the back, boom, wonderful little MagSafe animation letting you know that it's connected to your phone. So it works there with a case on the back. Perhaps you don't want to use a case. Maybe you're someone who doesn't want to have a case on their phone. Oh, don't worry, you don't have to, because MagSafe still works. Look at that. This thing is perfectly matched to the iPhone 12 mini. It is the exact perfect size of that. I love that it fits the iPhone 12 mini to a T, but it still looks great here on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, even the bigger phones. So it works great regardless if you're putting it onto a phone or onto one of Apple's cases. But maybe you don't want to use one of Apple's cases. You don't like Apple's leather cases or Apple silicone cases, you want something else, you want something more protective. Well, it'll work with third-party cases that include MagSafe too. Maybe these OtterBox cases, boom, it works there. We have all these different OtterBox cases that have MagSafe integrated, and the wallet works great there too. One of the best parts about MagSafe is how interoperable it is. I can go between different cases, without cases, third-party cases, Apple cases. It just doesn't matter. And that is a huge difference because you can use this with such a variety of different accessories that are perfect for you. You're not stuck with just a certain brand of case or using case versus not a case or having to put a magnetic piece behind your phone. It just works. Additionally, people are complaining that it doesn't stay on that well or that it falls off too easily. Honestly, I think it holds on there just the right amount. It's very similar to any other magnetic wallet that I have used in the past, and it's been not a problem at all. Sure, if you have really tight jeans or if you're awkward about it trying to stick your whole phone in your pocket, it'll come out. But for the most part, this is just a non-issue. I put this in my pocket every single day, never an issue, never coming off when I don't want it to. And a lot of times I do take it off because I'm using my phone and I don't need this. So boom, this comes off, this goes in my pocket, and I use my phone just like I normally would. No problems whatsoever. Plus, you can take it off anytime you want to use wireless charging. I want to use MagSafe charging, boom, you take it off. You want to use a MagSafe charger in the car or a dock in the car, slap it on there, take this thing off. It comes off anytime, just like you would a regular wallet. When you want it on your phone, it stays pretty solidly on your phone. You just have to remember that it's there. It's still a wallet and it's still in the back of your phone. Just because it has the propensity to come off with enough force doesn't mean it's inferior in any way. You just have to pay attention to it and be used to it. Just like you're used to having a wallet in your back pocket. Pay attention that it's there, or if you're in a crowded situation, there's always that chance that you could get pickpocketed. Honestly, I think this is just the right amount of magnetic pull to stay easily on my phone pretty much anywhere that I've had it. I have not had it come off on me. If you're trying to do something for a video and kind of stick in your pocket, it definitely comes off. But for me, this is just the perfect wallet that I have tried. And I've tried a lot of iPhone mounted wallets in my day. And so far, this guy is definitely the best one. So what do you guys think of Apple's magnetic leather MagSafe wallet? Do you guys love it? Do you guys still hate it? Based on the fact that they've still been sold out pretty much since launch, gives me an inkling of an idea that a lot of people out there are as in love with this wallet as I am. It would not surprise me, but I want to hear from you guys. Let me know over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.